Okay guys, this is a 2025 Ford Maverick Lariat Edition. It's got a 2.0 turbo on it, four-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive I believe these are. New updated front end. It is a rebuilt title, damage right here to the wheel, fender, bumper, headlight area. See, everything looks as if it should. Good tires, about 7,000 miles. Does have a bed liner. Start it up here for you. So wireless phone charging, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 360 camera, 7860 on the miles, adaptive cruise, lane assist, all your power windows and locks, mirrors. Does have the B&O sound system on there, smart key with remote start. Power sliding rear glass. This does have the tow package on it. Tows 4,000 pounds. Mirrors have blind spots in it, blind spot monitors. Closer look where that was repaired. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.